Today we are making pepper-free herb and cheese stuffed cherry tomatoes. For this recipe, what you'll need is a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice, 1 clove of garlic, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh basil, 6 tablespoons of olive oil, a 1/4 cup of ricotta cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of fresh parsley, and 20 cherry tomatoes. We are going to start by chopping the parsley. We are going to place the parsley in a bowl with the cheese. Next, we are going to chop the basil. I'd like to take a moment to thank my mother for growing the parsley and basil. Place the basil in the bowl with the cheese. Now mince up the garlic. Put the garlic in the bowl with the cheese. Pour the salt and the lemon juice into the bowl. Mix the bowl together thoroughly. Place the bowl somewhere cool for half an hour. Chop the tomatoes in half. Hollow out the tomatoes. I find that using my fingers is really good at hollowing out the tomatoes. I am using a bowl to catch the juices so that I don't mess up my kitchen. Use the olive oil to grease up the baking sheet. Stuff the tomatoes with the cheese filling and place on the baking sheet. Preheat the oven to 175 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the baking sheet in the oven for 7 minutes. the baking sheet out of the oven. Let the tomatoes cool for 5 minutes. There we have it, herb and cheese stuffed cherry tomatoes. Let's try one. Oh, these are so tasty. If you like this content and would like to see more, please subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next episode.